What's up mga boss? Isang mapagpalang araw sa inyo at welcome back sa ating YouTube channel. At sa bidyong ito, papakita ko sa inyo itong view dito at ginagawa namin. Alright? Yeah! We later. I will take later. Just put there one side. What kind of fish?
Kodo. It's like codfish.
Oh, okay.
Same family.
Yeah! Two down.
We have food for dinner.
For dinner, yeah. My lovely
Already 3 days.
cookie.
Already 3 days we don't eat.
Yeah. No need
No
for,
fish.
no need provision. See? Nakadali na kami, pang-ulam. Yes. Be careful your hand, ha? See? So, I take bucket, ha?
Yeah.
So, ito yung mga isdang nahuhuli namin dito sa Netherlands, no? At itong isda na to ay nabubuhay lang sa malamig na lugar. So, ayan na nakatatlo kami habang
Ayan guys, mayroon na naman.
maghuhulog ulit si
Ayan.
Cookie.
Malalaman mo pagka may load kasi yung rod ay bumabaluktot. Ayan o. Tingnan natin kung makarel. Hopefully makarel ah. Jasibi. Very nice. Yan. Yan yung chip cook namin na mapait, si Evan. Yan o. Hilig niya mga well. Same. Oh, makarel. Another 3. Oh my God. Another 3. Makarel. Makarina, makarel. Makarina, makarel. Makarel, makarina. Wow! It's a pool. It's a wait. It's a pool.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Apak. Big one. Chip, big one. See? Sariwang sariwa yan, no? Gumagalaw pa, oh. So, yung isa natanggal na. Tanggal, tulungan natin. Yan. Ay, we fight this,
What?
Oh.
In one hook too. This one and another one. In one hook.
2, ah.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Crazy fish.
Pero yan.
Enough.
Yeah, enough. After na again. So it's better you can select around 2 or 4 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hook enough na tumatlong for the bite. No need too long.
No, enough.
Only 4 pieces 4 or 5
Because if you catch, you put some 10 hooks, you can take out.
Okay.
It's too heavy.
Heavy. Number 1. See? Mr. Ivan, number 1. The bottom
Okay.
Yan guys. Malalim. Kailangan malalim. Malalim yung hininga. Ayan kikita natin yung windmill. Malapit lang
Uy, yun na.
Yan guys.
Uy, buta na.
Yeah. Uy. Why like that? Yeah.
Unbelievable.
Yeah. Only sugo no? Unbelievable.
All 4 hooks.
We take all this hook and then make scramble. Yes. How many hook got? How many hook cuts?
4.
Four.
No.
Be
change,
careful,
yeah.
Oh, be careful your hand. Kain ka na, Toy?
Boy, 15 pa man.
Akin si pa ba? Kala ko ano na.
Same like catfish.
Yeah.
The white meat.
White meat, yes.
Wait.
Sarap yan. Sarap yan paksiw. Nakaraan, nagpaksiw si ano yan eh.
Oh, sino?
Maso,
Marunong na.
Maso, paksiw, dami mong sabaw.
Guys. Dito naman tayo. Hab? May pain yung kanya.
This is bait.
What is that? Octopus?
Huh?
Octopus?
No, bait. Bait fish.
Last time you try shrimp, yeah? Shrimp didn't
Shrimp, yeah. Much better there.
they didn't eat shrimp.
Shrimp and then ice cream.
Yeah.
No, but the current was too strong.
When you put the shrimp, very fast gana.
It's fucking smelly because I already feel this dead.
Yeah, shit. How many bite you put? One? All? All hook?
Huh?
You put the bite all hook?
But I don't know what you mean.
So, iba din. Why? Ready?
Why
Yes.
put this on hook?
Huh?
Why put this on the hook or?
No, I mean, how many hook you put the bite?
3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
I have 3.
How about this, a big one? The weight, no need to put the bite?
No, that's the weight for the from the bottom
Why we have a same like hook also?
because it's they keep it from the ground a little bit.
Same like
So
anchor.
If yeah same like
Same like anchor. Nice idea.
because if you don't,
Mhm.
it's gonna be stuck.
Bring the current. Follow the current.
Yeah, also, and it's gonna be stuck on the ground.
Okay.
And now it holds it to the ground.
Yan guys. Makarel na naman yung nakuha namin ngayon, oh. Sariwang sariwa. Ayan si Evan. Tropa natin. To, makarel. Guys, sarap to. Oh, yan yung isda dito. Sa mga malalamig na lugar lang to na kukuha o tumitira. Yan. Sabi niya sa akin, mag ano daw siya. Sabawan. Sabawan daw ng kaibigan natin. Yan. Meron ng 4, oh. 4 na makarel. Yan. Pang ulam na yan. Ayan, si Ivan. Tropa natin. Until bottom? You drop first until bottom and then you hang up little bit? Okay. Still up? Wow. Meron daw. Yan guys, tingnan natin. Why the last night different fish? For the night time or afternoon time? Okay. Yan guys. Ito lang yung libangan namin din eh. Yan oh, ang kurahe na yan oh. Ang banda dyan, ang kurahe na yan. Dito yung binabantay namin. Uy! Chimless deer di ah. Yan, ito yung nahuli namin
What time is now?
gabi. I will check ha. Ayan guys, mayroon na naman oh. Yan. Malalaman mo pagka may load kasi yung rod ay bumabaluktot. Yan oh. Tingnan natin kung makarel. Hopefully, makarel ah. JCB. Very nice. Yan. Yan yung chip cook namin na mapait, si Evan. Yan o. Hilig niya mga well. Ah, same. Oh, makarel. Another 3. Oh my God. Another 3. Makarel. Makarena, makarel. Macarena, makarel. Makarel, macarena. Wow! It's a pool. It's a wait. It's a pool.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ah, fuck. Big one. Chip, big one. See? Sariwang-sariwa yan, no? Gumagalaw pa, oh. So, yung isa, natanggal na. Tanggal, tulungan natin. Yan. Ay, we fight this,
What? Oh. In one hook too. This one and another one. In one hook.
two, ah.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Crazy fish.
Pero,
Enough.
yeah, enough. Afternoon again. So it's better you can select around 2 or 4 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 hook enough na
So-
tumatlong for the bite. No need too long.
No, enough.
Only 4 pieces 4 or 5
Because if you catch, you put some 10 hooks, you can take out.
Okay.
It's too heavy.
Heavy Ligpit na niya kasi mag-prepare na siya. Kakain na kasi. So hanggang dito na lang guys. Maraming salamat. God bless.